it's Amy Wilson, and I am going to show you our travel solution. So these are my favorite travel products that I could not live without, and I want to just share them with you. So first off, I love our packing cubes. So this is the small, this is the medium, and this is the large. Now packing cubes are pretty simple, right? So at the top area, there's a mesh section there so that if you have dirty clothes in there, they don't get stinky. And then when they unzip all the way, except for this one area at the top. And so the idea with packing cubes, if you're not familiar, is that you can roll them up, roll your clothes up, roll your, so I only use it for really clothes. So sweatshirts, jeans, anything, socks, underwear, bras, all that stuff, I roll it, and then you can kind of layer 2 layers on top of each other. So that is why these take up less space and they're more practical than other things, like just throwing your stuff in a suitcase. So they come in small, medium, and large. You can, I tend to use the medium one the most, and you can order them separately or order them as a bundle as well. So that is our packing cubes. And I'm gonna show you some photos of what it looks like when I had them all packed. So the thing that I love to use as a carry-on, as my personal item, is this guy right here. This is the Deluxe Travel Tote. And I have it in gray, but I'm gonna be very, very honest with you here. I wouldn't get it in gray. It gets dirty. I shove it under seats in a plane and it really does get dirty. So if you're gonna use it on a plane, I wouldn't get the gray. It is worth it though. Like I love, love, love this bag. It does come with a crossbody strap, which I don't use because this is a ginormous bag on me. And if I wore a crossbody, I'd probably fall over. What's really nice is that it has an extra like 5 inches here that you can pack it full. And even with it full, I can still shove it underneath a plain seat. So there's that. There's this great pocket in the front that is a stretchy pocket and can be cinched is the word I'm looking for. On the back side, there is a pocket right here that is actually a trolley pocket, so you can unzip the bottom and put it over a suitcase handle. There is a cell phone pocket here, and then there's also a little porthole for your cords to charge your phone. So I can have my charger inside in a pocket and stick the cord outside and use it as I'm walking around, which is lovely. On the inside, it has a really large laptop pocket that is padded, and it has a stretchy strap over it, so you can Velcro that shut. And then on this side, it's got a large zipper pouch and then 2 stretchy pockets there. So this is a very large bag. You can fit a ton of stuff in here, which I have. And so what I have put in here before is 1 medium packing cube, and I put it like standing up. And then my travel pouches, which I travel with, I'll show you those in just a second. And then just like my Kindle and any files that I wanted to bring with me or anything like that. So let me show you this bottom pocket. There is this pocket on the bottom. And I need to sleep with a knee pillow. That's what this is. It's just a foam, like squishy pillow. Well, it's not super squishy. It's like memory foam. And it is literally like, this pocket was like made for this. But if you wanted to put something else in here, you could put your toiletries, you could put your sneakers, you could put your shoes, like whatever you want to bring that you would just like to keep separate. So I just leave this in here because it's the perfect spot. So that's that. And then the other thing that I use with it is our small hard case luggage. So I mentioned the trolley pocket on the Deluxe Tote. So let let me show you that real quick. Let me unzip it again. And I have pictures of this too. So it would look like that, and it would sit nicely on your bag or on your suitcase, and it wouldn't fall over, which is lovely when you're, you know, rushing for the plane, that kind of thing. So you saw the telescoping handle. There's another side handle here. It's got the lovely wheels. It's got these protectors, little feet. And then on the top, there's another grab handle, and then there is a TSA lock on it. And then on this side, there's little portholes for your charger. There's a pocket inside that you can put in there. Now, there's a couple of different, this confuses me for some reason. There's Velcro at the bottom. And then, so this is very different from other carry-ons that I have seen. It zips from the front and has this little pocket. So let's talk about this real quick. I love this area. Hopefully you can see it. So right there on this side is a mesh pocket. And then down here, there are 2 pockets that are held by a strap. So what I recently did was I used this to travel with. I put my laptop in one pocket, my Kindle in another, and I was good to go. Now let me open it. So then there's another set of zippers right here. And then here is where your clothes and stuff go. So there are some straps like in every other suitcase. And then that's it, that's where it goes. The pocket that I mentioned for your phone, there are cords here that you can charge into. You want to put it into your power bank there. So that is our small hard case luggage. So you can buy that, or if you wanted to host a party with me, you could get it at a huge discount with just a $200 party or more. So the other options, sorry, that was loud. The other options that I love for travel, this guy right here, I already showed you. So this is our travel pouches. It comes with this clear one and then a smaller pouch inside. I love these. These are by Human Gear, by the way. This is what I use for my shampoo and conditioner and all of that stuff, because I like to use my own products, right? So I love these because this little thing, it locks it. So there's never any leaks, which is amazing. So this is how I use all of my travel toiletries. And then there is, let me show you this other one. And it comes with another one, another smaller bag inside. And this is where I keep my makeup. So those are our travel pouches. Those are my favorite of all of the toiletry bags that we have. And then I have showed you this already, but I usually bring a small purse with me. So I'm loving, loving, loving our hip bag, our sling bag, our classic. We have 2. I prefer this classic one. I like the size better. And then this is our all zipped up crossbody. It's got like a rope bungee crossbody. It has a phone pocket. It's got a pocket in the front just like this one does. And then there's some space on the inside. So both of these are great options depending on what you like. I like the flexibility of the classic sling bag. And then let me grab one more thing that I want to show you. Sorry I didn't bring it over here. I'm going to show it to you up close. So this is our where to wallet. And this is what I use when I'm traveling. A lot of times I don't need everything from my Benjamin's wallet. So I just bring this little guy, and it even has a clip if you wanted to clip it into something like a backpack or something. So my license and my medical cards are here. I've got a credit card here, a credit card there, some more ID cards that I use. And then of course, you know, Starbucks gift cards, because you need those when you're traveling. And then in this zipper pocket is actually, I just fold up my cash and I put it in there. Who knew I had cash? It's hiding on me. So there are more card slots too that I'm just not using, but this is my favorite one for travel. So that's it. That is my travel solution. This one is a little bit longer. Thank you for sticking in there with me. I appreciate you so much, and I hope you are enjoying this and finding it helpful. Thanks so much. Bye.